Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Instagram story bad quality. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines. And then click on settings and privacy. Okay, and then you will then just have to scroll down and look for the data usage and media quality, and then just click on it. Now you will then just have to turn this off, okay, your data saver, so that when you uploaded your videos, there will be no limit. Okay, and of course, you'll have to toggle the switch on, okay, to upload at highest quality. Okay, always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. So you will then just have to enable that. So right after that, you can now start uploading your videos in HD quality. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.